Welcome to today's video where we'll learn how to create a basic motor start program using the TIA Portal software. So, let's dive right in. To begin, ensure that you have the TIA Portal software installed on your computer. Once you're in, create a new project and give it a suitable name. Click on New Devices and Networks, then proceed to Add New Device. Select Controllers, and choose the appropriate PLC model you'll be working with. For this example, we'll be using the S7-300 PLC. Navigate to the hardware catalog and select a suitable power supply. With our hardware properly configured, let's move on to creating our program. First, we need to define our variable. Start and stop are inputs of Boolean type, while a motor is a Boolean output. Now, let's implement the logic for starting the motor. The crux of our program lies in this concept: the motor will run only when the start button is pressed and the stop button is not pressed. It's time to put our program to the test. We'll walk through different scenarios, including pressing the start button, stopping the motor, and observing how the PLC responds to these inputs. Remember to save your project and proceed to upload it. In this demonstration, we'll be using the S7 PLC simulator. Congratulations! You've successfully created a straightforward motor start program using the TIA Portal. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to show your support by liking this video and subscribing for more informative tutorials.